My name's Steve Wisdon, a 63-year-old Englishman from London, England. Been here in America about 18 years and love it. I like this house. I spotted this house on the market 6 years ago, and within 5 minutes I knew it was for me. A, because of the garden. I knew I could turn it into something very pretty. And B, I liked the way the house set up for me. There were things in it that I didn't like that I needed to change, and that's when I brought you and Lakeview Home Improvements in to give me an idea of what I can do. My priority was my kitchen and also my bathroom. I've lived with this bathroom for 5.5 years, and to me it was out of date. It was very cheap looking and it wasn't to my style. I come from a home in London, England, where it was built in 1898, Victorian, and I had a Victorian bathroom in there, and that's the style I like. I'm a traditionalist. It was very nice, it was very ornate. I changed it to my liking, and I had a vision of what this bathroom could look like. I knew this could look even prettier than the original one. I didn't like anything about it. I didn't like the tiling, I didn't like the paintwork, I didn't like the cabinetry. There was nothing that really set me off. I disliked everything, and it took me 5.5 years to decide, well, this needs to change. And I decided to change it because I know I'm not interested in selling the house or moving anytime soon. So we got Lakeview Home Improvements in, and they did an amazing job. Well, it just makes life so much easier just to roll out of bed in the morning and actually enjoy going into the bathroom and taking a shower, getting yourself ready for work or whatever you're doing that day. And it's just nice to be able to look at it and say, well, this is my work. I've not actually done it, but it was my design and my colours, and I'm very happy with the way it's turned out. Well, I've been collecting Yardro. My late wife was Spanish, and Yardro is spelt with a double L, but the Spanish pronounce it with a Y. Everything's made by hand in Valencia, Spain, and I've collected it over the years. I've got a nice collection, and it was just nice that I could incorporate that into my bathroom. Well, I use upstairs for Airbnb. People come here, I've got a beautiful garden, I've got a beautiful in-ground spa, and then the film company, local film company, they come here and shoot films and scenes and what have you. They've been doing that for 5 or 6 years, and it's the perfect house. It's the perfect house for them, 20-foot ceilings, the sun on the living room all day long, and it works well for them. And now the bathroom's been done and remodernised, and it looks fabulous. They'll use it even more, I'm sure. I was hoping to avoid contractors being here one day and not seeing them the next or the day after that. So what I liked about your company, and I can't say too many good things about your company, it was excellent. What I liked about you was the fact that you came, you showed up, you designed our bathroom, we picked out the colours, and you got everything well before it was ready to be installed. So when the tiler came, he got the tiles, the vanity unit got installed, it was there to install. The bathtub, same again. So there was no one waiting for anything, and that is why when you quoted me, you said an estimate time of 10 weeks, you did it in 7, and I was more than happy with that. But I must say to you and your team, you've done a remarkable job. I never thought that it would turn out something as spectacular as this, and I thank you for it. I think you're first class. I told you to your face a few months ago, you're a young man, but your company and you will go to the top. Very happy with what you did.